I just found my new favorite snowboard jacket. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm gonna be reviewing this anorak snowboard jacket from High Experience. This thing is amazing and this right here is gonna be their greenish blue-black colorway and I absolutely love it. This color has been trending for a little bit and I had to jump on board and get myself this color and I couldn't be more happy. But guys, let's talk about how amazing this jacket is. This is gonna be made with a 30,000 waterproof grade and a 25,000 breathability grade. So this is gonna be really nice. It's actually insulated too. So I'm just wearing a normal t-shirt under this and I feel super comfy. My arms don't feel cold. I actually feel pretty warm. I wanted to do a little test here with some water, so I'm just gonna dump this right on the jacket. It looks pretty nice. That is beating right up and it looks like it's coming right off. So there's a ton of features packed within this jacket that I want to show you guys. First off, check out this hood. It's really nice. You can actually pull this hood down with the cord here. And then we also have one right in the back. So if you're going up a chairlift, you can keep that super snug and keep the wind out of your face. I love how this has a nice fabric material right here on the mouthpiece. It's very breathable. It looks absolutely amazing. I love wearing my snowboard jackets like this and just have them up. And this is so comfy. Usually I have to wear a face mask so that I don't have anything rubbing on my face, but since this is the anorak style, the zippers are not in the middle. So you're not gonna have a zipper pressed against your mouth. The zippers are gonna be on the side. So it's gonna be super comfy. Now on the side, we're gonna have one of my favorite things, the lift ticket pass right here. So most mountain resorts now are gonna have a scannable lift ticket. So I usually just throw them right in here and you can just swipe it and the doors will open and let you in on the chairlift very easily. But that's really easy to grab on the zipper. And then we're also gonna get adjustable straps on the actual sleeve cuffs so you can get these nice and dialed in. Now, one of my favorite parts about this is it is gonna have these little cuffs to go up, so that can go in your glove. It's just a little like dry fit, very thin, and it fits your thumb really well. I usually do like to wear them like this, especially if I take my gloves off for a little bit and I still want to keep my hands kind of warm. I will throw those on and those are absolutely perfect. This is the Baggy model. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size large and I did that because I wanted a little bit more of a baggy look and a baggy fit. Man, I am so happy with the way this fits. It's dialed in, it looks so good. If I wanted a little bit more of like a slimmer fit, I probably just would have went with a medium, but I think the large is super perfect to have that baggy style. I think I even could have went with an extra large if I wanted a little bit more baggy. We're gonna have one zipper on the side here, and that is gonna go all the way up to the top. So you can basically just take this all the way off and put it on from the side. I love the anorak jackets. They are so comfortable and game changing. We're gonna have some nice straps on the base here. So if you do wanna keep the snow out of your pants, all you got to do is just strap that up. It's gonna go all the way around, super tight. It actually goes low. On the large, it kind of goes like below my butt even. So if you take like a spill or something, that's definitely gonna keep the snow out of your pants. But if you don't want to use that, you can just clip it to the side and you don't even have to touch it. Usually I don't use those because I wear a bib when I snowboard, but give or take, you can change that up. We're also gonna get a double pocket right here on the side that's kind of hidden in the black. So it is a joint pocket, so my hand can actually go all the way through here. It's kind of like a hoodie. It just makes it really comfortable to wear and you can kind of just rest your hands there. But just know that pocket does go all the way through. And then we get one more hidden pocket on the chest. That is gonna have a zipper. This is gonna be perfect for your phone, your keys, maybe a little snack on the chairlift or something like that. But I love having that extra pocket. Gonna have a drawstring on the bottom so you can snug up the base again, so you can keep snow out of your pants and your coat and just stay super snug and fit. You can dial it in basically to fit you however you want. Now on the top here, you're gonna have a vent that opens up so you can air yourself out if you want to. That'll keep you nice and breathable. The fit and finish is perfect on this. I really love how all the pockets are gonna be on the outside of this jacket so that you don't have to open it up, go inside your coat, let the cold air in or anything like that. You can actually just keep this thing totally zipped up, have access to all your pockets, stay warm on the slopes all day. This jacket is gonna also be made from 100% polyester. It's gonna be a 3L professional fabric that is just gonna feel so comfortable and nice. The waterproof technology keeps you dry all day, and there is a moisture wickening in here, so you're not gonna be sweating and hot in this all day. You're gonna be very comfortable. Now, I got this as a snowboard jacket, and this is gonna be the Baggy series. It's really nice and just looks so cool. The fit is amazing. It comes down to a perfect length on me. I'm gonna be looking so fresh on the slopes. And just remember, guys, you don't have to use this for just snowboarding and skiing. You can use this for hiking, snowmobile, or if you just want a nice, good-looking winter jacket. So I give this a 10 out of 10, and that's gonna be my honest review of the High Experience snowboard and ski jacket.